Hey there, curious minds. Have you ever wondered what life would be like if the Earth were flat? I mean, really flat, like a pancake. Let's dive into this mind-bending thought experiment. First off, did you know that the ancient Greeks used shadows and basic geometry to prove the Earth is round? Yeah, they were pretty sharp cookies. But let's flip the script. If the Earth were flat, everything we know about gravity would go out the window. In a flat Earth scenario, gravity wouldn't pull things toward the center of a sphere, but rather straight down toward the surface. So, those living near the edges would feel a sideways pull, almost like walking uphill, even on flat ground. Weird, right? Now let's talk about space. Our current understanding of the cosmos relies heavily on the Earth's spherical shape. Satellites orbit our globe, providing us with GPS, weather forecasts, and even Netflix. But on a flat Earth, satellites would have no stable orbit. Say goodbye to your favorite shows. And what about day and night? On a flat Earth, the sun wouldn't rise and set the way it does now. Instead, it would move in a circular path above the surface, creating a bizarre pattern of light and darkness. Some areas might never see the sun, while others could be in perpetual daylight. Climate would be a nightmare too. With no spherical shape to distribute the sun's heat evenly, we could end up with extreme weather patterns. Imagine blistering deserts on one side and frozen wastelands on the other. So, next time you hear someone talk about a flat Earth, you'll know just how much it would change everything we take for granted. From gravity to GPS, a flat world would be a whole new ballgame. But hey, it's fun to think about, right? Keep questioning, keep exploring, and stay curious. Thanks for watching. Oh, and one more thing. Did you know that if the Earth were flat, airplanes would have to constantly adjust their altitude to avoid flying off the edge? Mind-blowing. And imagine the view from the edge. Talk about a tourist attraction. Also, compasses would be useless. With no magnetic poles, navigation would be a nightmare. Imagine trying to find your way without reliable directions. And speaking of maps, they would look completely different. No more familiar continents and oceans. Everything would be stretched and distorted beyond recognition. Time zones would be chaotic too. With a flat Earth, the concept of time as we know it would be turned upside down. Imagine trying to schedule a meeting across different regions. Total chaos. So while it's fun to imagine, a flat Earth would be a logistical and scientific nightmare. Keep that in mind next time you ponder the shape of our world.